So you might ask, how did I end up in such a controlling relationship? Now, finding yourself in a controlling relationship can happen for various reasons. And you must understand what landed you there. Often it's not something you consciously chose, but rather a result of hidden factors. Now, first, controlling partners can be manipulative and very charming in the beginning, making it hard to see their true nature. They might shower you with attention and affection and try to make you believe that they have character qualities that they don't have. And this might create an emotional connection that's difficult to break. Then they start with a hidden emotional abuse tactics like accusations, blaming, and gaslighting, making it hard to identify the abuse until it escalates. By that point, you might feel trapped or dependent on the relationship. So, what's going on with you? Low self esteem or past experiences can also play a role. If you don't feel good about yourself or you have a history of unhealthy relationships, you might be more susceptible to falling into a controlling one. Controlling individuals look for and exploit vulnerabilities in their partner. Now, also, sometimes cultural or societal pressures can contribute. Society may idealize certain relationship dynamics, making it seem like you should put your partner's needs above your own. This can lead to tolerate controlling behavior, thinking it's normal, but it's not normal. It's only disguised as normal. If your partner is doing something to hurt you, that's could be emotional abuse if it happens over and over again. So, to break free from a controlling relationship, start by recognizing the signs of abuse and acknowledging that it's not your fault. Work on rebuilding your self esteem and seek support from friends, family, certainly a therapist. And also, you can try to establish boundaries and communicate your needs clearly. It's really important to always keep in mind that you deserve loving and respectful relationship where you can be yourself.